What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Seductive Souls coming at you. New pickup. I started a video and it froze, so take this plastic off. As you can see, after waiting for 4 months, November, December, January, February, it's finally here. The new LUXE X. Finally, I just got off of work, took a shower, and I'm doing this video unboxing. Right here we got the tag, we got the LUXE X, number 304. Dust red, polished black, so red and black. If I had the ice and I went all red with the ice, so I went red and black with this one. Be different. Gonna get into a first-hand look, show you what's inside the box and everything like that. Now, the case, as you can see, is like a gloss carbon fiber, and it has the LUXE logo in the middle, which is a hard plastic rubbery logo. Back says DLX, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and unzip this and see what the future holds. Open that up. Still has the same setup where it gives you the breakdown of the bolt pattern, your O-rings and everything like that. Then on the other side you have your strap. And then your set of Allen keys that always comes, and of course it has the LUXE logo on the DLX. You get a barrel sock, and then your charger. And that charger, I don't know if you can see it, that charger is a Type-C charger, so that's more convenient for me because my Note 9 uses a Type-C charger, and my GoPro that I'm recording this video uses a Type-C charger. So very good for me. That'll come in handy. Very good. Now let's get behind door number 1. LUXE X quick start guide just gives you all the information about the battery, how to charge it, where everything's located, what your screen reads, the different things that tell you how to change your velocity and adjust it, things like that. Give you another look at that. Then on the back it tells you about the trigger. Put that. So then on this side, of course, comes with your grease, your LUXE grease, which will barely be used because it's low maintenance, little to no maintenance at all on this. Extra O-ring kit, and then of course your barrels. It says XL on here. It says XL. Now LUXE, this is what I noticed. 687 Freak barrel. XL is the long barrel. The ice came with the short barrels. This is the long barrels. So we're gonna see how that works. Set that up in a little bit. Move this to the side. What's in this little box? It has a little box. Oh, AC adapter. It's what you charge, plug it in, charge your phone, charge your gun with. Let's see how good this looks inside the box. Polished black, dust red, looks very nice. Let's go ahead and pull this out. See what we're working with. Looks pretty nice. Under here it says LUXE X. Right above that handle, we got your serial number 304. We got the trigger 304 LUXE X, the trigger. Everything still looks the same. I think this that quick release to do your maintenance. wherever that is. Oh, there we go. Push it up. I'm not gonna mess with that right now with this video. On the back, says has the LUXE X on there. They added this. They put the Lux logo on the diamond right there. Everything pretty much still looks the same. A few things are different. A little bolt design is different as well, as they told you. Let's power this thing on. Oh, this is usually silver. Right here it's red to match the gun.
Powering on. Welcome to the Lux experience. Battery level 100%. Firing mode NXL.
Pretty clean. Vision's off. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how this works. Set this up. Let's see the whole gun. Well, put my barrel together first before I do this. There we go. XL barrel set up. Drop it in and just twist. And here we go. Nicely set up. LUXE X. But yeah, that's a quick look, just showing what's in the box, how it looks and everything like that. Something short and sweet. Nothing major. I'm just gonna go ahead and play with this. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Peace.